the graphic paint, as we call it in France, represents a lot of things. First, it's an innovation that will bring a lot of opportunities, not only from the technical side on what we can paint on a car, but also economically wise, from environmental point of view. It puts Dacia in, let's say, the modern world, the next generation of how we are going to paint cars. From a technical standpoint, it will allow to do basically any kind of design. Technically speaking, it opens a whole bunch of opportunities that we don't have today with the classical way of painting the roof.